Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a lovely collection of party wear sarees where we are going to see some lovely collection of linens and we have some nice cut work, Kashmiri embroidery, very different collections in this video. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And whoever new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandavli. We have given all the details in the description. The address is being given in the description. You can check on that. You can do an online shopping. You can purchase this way, or you can walk into our store from Monday to Saturday from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30 p.m. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful semi-tassel saree, in that a nice Kashmiri work, Kashmiri embroidery done in the saree. A beautiful embroidery. You could have a closer look of how beautifully it is being done. And throughout the body we have small embroideries running through the body in small floral motifs. Very nice combination, navy blue and pink. This is the pallu of the saree. The pallu of the saree is a running pallu with embroidery on the border. And the blouse of the saree is this, a contrast blouse. And the price of the saree is 2,300. Very beautiful semi-tassel saree with a lovely Kashmiri work embroidery in the saree. A nice beige with a pink color Kashmiri work. You could see a beautiful work running through the border of both the sides of the saree, and throughout the body we have small booties running through the body. The pallu of the saree is this. We have edges embroidery in the end also, and the blouse of the saree is a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree in semi-raw silk material again, and the price of the saree is 2,300. In the same pattern, it's a nice mustard color with a lovely Kashmiri work embroidery on the borders. This is how the saree looks. Very beautiful, lovely design. Very rich the saree looks. More a party wear sarees. This is the body of saree. Beautiful design, lovely pattern, and the blouse is in contrast pink. And the price of this saree is 2,300. We have few more colors in this. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be black. A very pretty black, lovely black. So this is how the body of the saree is. We have a nice embroidery in it in contrast with small embroideries throughout the body. This is the body of the saree. A rich one, beautiful design, lovely pattern. And the pallu of the saree, you have the corner, you have the embroidery in the pallu also, and the blouse is in contrast pink, and the price of this saree is 2,300. The next is going to be light brown shade. You could see it, light brown, or more of a light chocolate brown, in that a very pretty embroidery. This is how the body looks. Very beautiful design. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 2,300. A very beautiful semi-tassel material with a nice cut work in the borders. You could see the cut work, how beautifully it is being done. I'll show you. See how beautiful. It's a floral pattern, in that a nice cut work is being done. Both the sides we have the cut work, and throughout the body it's a plain body. Very classy designs. Very rich sarees and elegant sarees. This is the pallu of the saree. We have beautiful cut work in the pallu also, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1,770. Very pretty khaki color cut work saree in the semi-tassel material. We have a beautiful piping on the borders with a lovely cut work in a floral pattern design. You could see the design, how beautiful it is. Very pretty design on both the sides of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a very beautiful pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 1,770. A very beautiful grey color in the semi-tassel material with cut work borders. You could see of how beautiful the cut work is, so that we're just showing you a closer look of how the design is. Very beautiful. Both the sides we have the same nice embroidered cut work. Throughout the body it's a plain body. The pallu of the saree is this. Again we have a nice cut work in the pallu also. And the blouse of the saree is this plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1770. Very beautiful semi-tassa material, in that a nice cut work embroidery, beautiful design. You could see that how beautiful the work is, very intricate, all hand work, very classy design. Both the sides we have the cut work, and the body is a plain body. These are all very classy designs. The pallu of the saree is again a rich cut work design. The blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1770. In the same design, it's a nice light brown, more of a light chocolate brown shade with a nice cut work in the borders. Both the side we have a cut work embroidery on the borders. The body is a plain body, though it's plain. When you actually wear it, it will be very classy and rich. The pallu of the saree is again a rich cut work pallu. The blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1770. A nice beautiful light grey color semi-tassel saree, in that a very pretty embroidery cut work saree. These cut work sarees actually look really classy when you wear. They are so rich and so elegant a saree. Both the sides we have the same design, and throughout the body it's a plain body. The pallu of the saree is this, a rich cut work pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1770. Very pretty dark peacock blue shade in the semi raw silk material with a lovely cut work on both the sides. You could see the cut work, how beautiful the work is. Very intricate embroidery, beautiful design. Both the sides we have the same design, and the body is a plain body, very classy pattern. The pallu of the saree is again a rich pallu with cut work. These work are really very intricate work, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1770. In this very beautiful green color semi-tassa material, in that again a nice cut work design, a small cut work border with a nice embroidery on it. Beautiful design. Even in the body we have small cut works. Very classic design, very rich and elegant pattern. The pallu of the saree is this. Again we have cut work in the pallu. The blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1310. In the same pattern we have some nice grey color cut work saree. You should see how beautiful the cut work design is. Very detailed working, very neat finish and detailed working in the cut work itself. This is how the body of the saree is, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a plain blouse, and the price of this saree is 1310. We have two more color combinations in this. I'll show you the other color. This is a dark brown, very pretty brown, very different shade. Actually, if you pair it up with some nice contrast blouses for these sarees, it will be very beautiful. It's a nice dark brown. This is the body of the saree. Beautiful dark brown cut work saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, with nice neat cut work, and the price of the saree is 1310. The next is going to be a pretty beige, nice khaki color, more a light khaki color, in that the embroidery is in a darker shade. This is the body of the saree. Beautiful color, lovely shade, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 1310. Very beautiful, pretty pure linen saree. All 120 counts this is. Both the sides silver zari with a small piping edging borders, and in the body we have a beautiful talambu pattern design running through the body. On the upper part we have small silver zari buttas, very classy, a very beautiful color. This is a teal, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is again a very beautiful contrast blouse for this saree, and the price of the saree is 2520. A very beautiful grey color pure linen saree, all 120 counts, with silver zari borders with a nice piping edges in pink, and throughout the body we have a beautiful silver zari buttas running through the body. The upper part has a talambu pattern. On this part we have a small coin pattern design. We have a complete weaving inside the saree. The pallu of the sari is this, and the lovely contrast blouse for this sari, and the price of the sari is 2520. Beautiful pista green color pure linen sari again with silver zari border and a nice piping edging, contrast in pink with a beautiful silver booties running through the body in talambu pattern and in the coin pattern. The pallu of the sari is this, and again a very lovely contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 2520. A very beautiful lime yellow pure linen sari with silver zari borders with small edging on it in contrast pink, and throughout the body a beautiful design running through the body in silver zaris. Bottom part we have the talambu butta, and on the top part we have round buttas running through the body. The pallu of the sari is this, and all these saris carry a very beautiful contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 2520. Very beautiful light pink color pure linen sari, all 120 counts with silver zari borders and contrast edging on both the sides, and throughout the body we have a beautiful talambu and coin pattern silver weaving running through the body. It's all weaving, it's all hand weaved. All these saris are hand weaved. The pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is contrast green, and the price of the sari is 2520. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.